All right, ready to go? So today we are making the coconut curried sausages. Well, it was the second most popular recipe in the Skinnymixers community, but Mez's muffins took over. It's now number 3. It has stayed in the top 5 ever since I created this recipe, so I thought it was about time I put it on video. So I'm just showing how to layer your sausages so that they get enough airflow and cook evenly. I think that looks pretty good. All right, that's done. So we want to chop up an onion, a little bit of butter. Now, of course, if you're dairy-free, you can use olive oil to make this a completely dairy-free dish. So I think the reason why this has been such a steadfast recipe in the Skinnymixers community is because, first of all, it makes so much food. You can feed your family dinner and have leftovers for the next night. I think one of the other reasons why it's so popular is because it's a complete meal all in one. You have your rice, your curry, and then your veggies as well. One of the other reasons why I think this recipe is so popular is because it uses the Babas curry powder, or if you like to make your own, Malaysian style curry powder, which is a free recipe that we have. And now we add our water, 40 grams of chicken stock concentrate, the magic ingredient, makes everything taste better. Some tomato paste. So we have our simmering basket with our well rinsed rice, and that goes in the bowl, and we start that cooking. This cooks now for 20 minutes, and it's a great opportunity to clean your kitchen. Now you can either cut your sausages up into, little pieces. I personally think it presents better when you have like nice big chunks. So we're adding some frozen peas in, but if you don't like peas, you can use baby spinach. So we've just finished cooking the coconut curried sausages, and now they're ready to come out, and you'll see just how much this recipe really makes. It's so delicious. I feel like I say that about all of my recipes, but this one really is. I understand why it's number 3. Do you think that's a good ending, or should I say more?